Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to give you all a quick walkthrough of the Sheraton New York Hotel. This one is in Times Square. It's actually walking distance from Times Square, so it is far enough away from the crowds and the hustle and bustle, but close enough so you can still walk and enjoy the restaurants and shopping nearby. So there are a lot of pros and cons to this hotel, and I will walk you through the lobby area and the hotel room. So walking straight into the lobby, you do have a restaurant on the left. It is open pretty late at night, opens pretty early in the morning, so you can get Starbucks drinks and breakfast as well. And then to the right here, this was not open, but it says it is a club lounge. Not really sure what they do here or what it actually is, but something you may want to look into once you do arrive. Then you are also able to purchase jewelry at this hotel. So there's a little jewelry shop here to the left. I did not go in, but it looks like they have some pretty nice items inside, just looking from the outside displays. So definitely a good option if you do forget your jewelry at home. And that was pretty much it. They have like the reception area. There is another restaurant in the back here, but it was not open. It looks like it may be some sort of steakhouse. And then to the right here, you have the elevators. Now going on to the 15th floor, which is where my room was. We are going to do a little walkthrough of the room. And you can see as soon as you walk in to the right, this is a door to the room next to us. So it was a conjoined room. If you do want to travel with someone else and you want rooms that are connected, this will be a great room for you. But I could hear every single thing they did over there, which I hated. I'm a light sleeper, so I did not enjoy being able to hear everything that was going on, like from their showers to them coughing. It was just horrible. But going into the bathroom here, you can see that it is a fairly small bathroom, but they do give you shampoo, conditioner, lotion. It does have a bathtub as well. I do not actually care for these type of showers. I like the walk-in showers, but it did the job. So you can see that the hotel room was actually pretty clean. I did find a couple pieces of hair in the bathroom, but other than that, I wiped it down with my Clorox wipe, and there was nothing on the wipes. So they did a really good job at cleaning the surfaces of this room for sure. So now walking into the actual bedroom, you can see that they have a closet here. It has a safe, ironing board, iron, and then a little storage area inside. And of course you have your hangers. And I thought the room looked pretty old. The walls actually had scuff marks on them, and I just was not a fan of this hotel room. But from looking around online, a lot of the hotel rooms in the area from different hotels actually were pretty small and old as well. So I guess that just may be what you get when you stay in this area, unless you're paying a lot of money for your hotel room. And as you probably noticed, they do have a coffee maker as well. And then you have the table chairs and a flat screen TV on the wall, which was pretty nice, very nice size, and a queen bed. So I will also show you the view, which is really just buildings, and then you can see a glimpse of Times Square. And I also want to mention that they have a gym, but no spa and no pool. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.